Hi, and welcome to another Tools on Tuesday with Karl. Today we're going to be talking about structural elucidation using electron-activated dissociation, or EAD. So when we think about traditional CID, we might find ourselves in a scenario where we only have a few fragments, and this can make structural elucidation really difficult. And that's where EAD comes into play. EAD gives us the possibility of collecting new fragments, which allow us to see what we're looking at much easier. When creating fragments using EAD, we're going to be using the EAD cell and an optimized kinetic energy to create fragments by bombarding our parent or compound of interest with electrons. Similar to a traditional CID experiment, those fragments are going to make their way through Q2 onto the TOF analyzer and all the way to the detector. So let's take this fluorinated compound for example. Here we have 5,1-FTB. And this can be a tricky compound when looking at it by CID because, well, we only really get one fragment. And that doesn't really help us if we need to do structural elucidation. So let's bring in EAD and see if we get better fragmentation there. And when we take a look at our EAD spectra at two different kinetic energies, we see we create a lot more fragments, giving us a lot more information for when we go to do our structural elucidation. And this can be really helpful. But it's all not just about structural elucidation. There are other ways that EAD can help us, and that would be in finding unique MRM transitions, interrogating our data in a different way, and many other options. Thanks again for joining me on another Tools on Tuesday. Hope to see you next time.